Hi everyone, welcome to the Maldives. We're here at Ayada Maldives. We're in an ocean suite, which we're going to take you on a short tour inside. And we've started out here, as you can see, on the infinity pool. This infinity pool hangs right over the lagoon. Over there are some hammocks which float also over the water. I'm going to show you what it's like to jump in this hammock here. So I'm going to head around there now as you take a little view out to the lagoon. So here's the hammock. I'm going to jump down in. So you can set these nice comfy cushions up, sit here and sunbathe and take in the view, all those little islands out there. I will try and get back up now, and as you can see in front of me are the sun lounges, which are nice and comfy, big padded area. I'll take you over here now to the other side of the decking. So here there's also some of these cool hammocks. There's 3 along here, and there's a sofa area down here as well. So you can sit here and chill in the shade, read a book, looking out to that view. We're actually in the south of the Maldives here, and we're very sort of secluded on the island. So as you can see, all those islands over there are uninhabited, which is a bit different for the Maldives. So there's no sort of other islands around or other resorts, which is nice. It feels sort of secluded. As I take you over here, you will see the nice thatched roofs to these suites, and we're going to take you inside to the bathroom now. So here we are in the bathroom. As you can see, there's a bath there which is literally right by those folding doors, so you can sit in the bath and take in the views of the lagoon. There's a seating area here. This is a cool dressing table that opens up with a mirror. Over there is the shower, which actually has a window down into the lagoon, like double doors that you can open. And the same for the toilet, which is this side. So those are the doors down there. And a nice basin area there with a huge mirror, and also a TV, which you can watch in the bath. So if you head back outside, I'll meet you through in the next bedroom. So you've just walked into the bedroom, which is in the centre of this suite. Nice big double bed here. Behind there is a wardrobe. It's all sort of Turkish styling in this resort, because Ayada is a Turkish-owned resort. Over there is a sort of rack with a safe. The bed's got these nice drapes over it. I'm stood right in front of the office desk area here. Again, behind me there's the wardrobe here, and a nice big mirror. Also TV in the corner. So if you head back outside to the decking, I'm going to come around through the inside and we'll show you the living room. So here we are in the living room. There's lots of comfy kind of seats around, sofas. This is the coolest thing, which is a huge glass floor, so you can sit here and watch the fishes. We've been seeing loads of like fish swim by at day, and at night time there's a light which lights up the water. That's really cool. Nice welcome flowers here, seating area with windows either side into the lagoon. More sort of storage areas, and over here is the coffee making area with a cabinet here which has got all your home entertainment system and TV. So we'll now take you out the front, where you'll be able to see some of the other villas. As we come out, you can see our bicycles there, which are nice for getting around the resort. And here we are, and as you can see over there are villas. There's suites over there as well. There's a few different room types here, and that was the ocean suite that we just saw on the sunset side of the island. So thanks very much for joining. This is Ayada Maldives, and we hope you've enjoyed our room tour. If you have, pop a comment below, let us know what you think, and hopefully you make it to the Maldives one day.